In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an eBay shipping address. Whether you've recently moved or just need to declutter your saved locations, deleting old or unwanted addresses can be a straightforward task when you know how to navigate the system. Doing this regularly helps keep your account organized and prevents accidental shipments to outdated addresses. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your browser and go to ebay.com. Once the web page loads, you'll need to sign into your eBay account. This will be your gateway to access all of your personal settings. If you're not already logged in, you'll see the sign in option typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials. Remember, having your password manager up to date can help you tackle this step with ease, especially if you have multiple accounts. Once you are logged in, move your cursor towards your name or your account avatar, usually in the top left corner. Hovering over this area will reveal a drop-down menu from which you'll want to select account settings. This is your next destination on the path to manage your personal information. After you've clicked on account settings, you'll be brought to a new page. Focus on the section labeled Personal Info. Within this section, there is an option titled Addresses. Click on it to proceed. Now that you are on the Addresses page, look under the Shipping Address section and click on the Edit button. Here, you can view all the saved shipping addresses associated with your eBay account. Browse through and locate the address you wish to delete. Once identified, click the delete option to remove it. However, keep in mind a small caveat. If the address you want to delete is set as your default shipping address, you won't be able to remove it immediately. eBay requires users to maintain a default shipping address for transaction purposes. Before deletion, designate another address as your default by selecting it and hitting Set as Default. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the steps to delete a shipping address on eBay. Keeping your account information current not only simplifies your online shopping experience, but also enhances account security. Remember, regularly reviewing your saved addresses can prevent shipping mistakes and ensure your packages always reach the right place. Thanks for joining me today and happy shopping! Oh, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful eBay tips. Happy eBaying!